Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. He jumped out there. That motherfucker jumped out there. That 60 foot good. With Nitro. Left lane for the win, y'all. Left lane. Hey! Hey, y'all know we got some drinks over here. We got drinks over here, y'all.
What you want?
What you got again? I drink Sprite. Sprite. That Sprite. Thank you, y'all. Hey! Y'all, I'm gonna have to do something for them or something. I'm gonna have to do something else. Hey, y'all, man, let me tell everybody. Damn, he rolled that thing. He rolled that thing. All right, look at, can you hold this real quick? I need to open my soda. Hey, look at him, bro. It's a commercial, bro. Say something. Does the body good. Obey your thirst. It's a good Sprite too, boy. Right lane for the win, y'all. Right lane for the win. Ooh. Look at this thing right here, y'all. He don't know how to launch it good. Dang, look at this thing with this big old intake on it. He must have some extra money and they sold it to him. Yeah, it's gonna have an extra intake cooler on the inside for coolant turbo interchanger. Oh, okay. I bet they doing it. Some cold. Oh shit, all the goddamn ice. God damn. Oh, all that, he must have closed that damn thing. Look at that. Nah, that's water. I knew, boy.
Hey, pull over to the right.
All this damn ice, man. God damn. Did he close that top before they closed that trunk? Y'all, did y'all remember? Ooh, it's in reverse. Damn.
What is it?
Man, water.
Water?
They were just back there putting it all that, man. What's up with it, Gladys? I thought he was trying to do something. Shit, he out of water now. Nah, he still got some, all that water they had. Nah, that was turbo juice. Yeah, they had some cold turbo juice.